Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again. And today I have something that I want to try out. I want to test it, maybe do a review on it. And well, anyways, let's just go ahead and get started and take a look at it. So today I want to take a look at this pretty cool little gear shifter thing from Launch. Okay, they call it a docking station, and really it's just so I can reach down without even having to pay attention and be able to shift gears instead of having to reach up to change the gears up here in my, I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y the Juniper, and like especially when I go into neutral, like when I'm going through a car wash, I have to sit there and put it in neutral. And here now I can just look down and I can just press a button down here. So anyways, just take a look at this thing. I got the docking station with gear shift. Once again, like I said, this is from Launch. If this is something you're interested in, down below in the description is going to be the link. Go straight there, take a look at it, and if it's something that you're interested in. They say this is a non-destructive installation, shift charging, 2-in-1. Not sure what that means really, but but anyways, this is for the Model 3 and Model Y Highland. They say it's going to work here in my Juniper edition right now. It comes with everything you need. It's got 4 charging ports, okay? So it's going to have 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's right there. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. All right, we don't need this. Start off with is we got the actual gear shifter itself. Right here we go, so you can see we got the 2 USB-A's, you got the C's right there, and this is going to go right down here. I'm going to show you where it goes here in a minute, but it's just going to sit in there and you click it, and then you'll just be able to turn this knob right here. Kind of cool little, feels good, feels nice. All right, anyways, and it's going to plug in with our cigarette lighter, but we will also have to plug in these adapters, and this is like the Bluetooth receiver right here. We're going to plug it in up here at the top. We're going to take that part down, the gear shifter that we have up there with our lights and everything, and our hazard lights up there. We're going to take that down. That's where all this plugs in, and then it's going to get the signal to this. Okay, so then we'll get everything to work. And lastly, it comes with a pry bar. So really, hopefully, that's all we need. So let's go ahead and get started on this installation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this guy out right here, and I'm just going to be careful and try to pry behind it. I've already started a little bit. Okay, I got a little bit going there. Let's come over here. There we go. All right. Now that we got it out, I'm going to disconnect that electrical cable right up here. So bring this around. Right there is a little lever. I'm going to pry it. There we go. Okay, got it out. All right, so right now I'm going to try something different, because in a different video I saw, somebody just took this cable and they put it right behind this white plastic thing and came out over here. Well, feeling around, I got the Model Juniper here, and I got a feeling that mine's a little bit different. Mine's like a solid wall all the way through here, so I don't see any way this is going to go in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this Bluetooth part right here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, which it goes like this. Yeah, I heard it click. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and push it on this side in the back. And then I'm going to come here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this part of this adapter into this original cable, and then this will go back into this piece here. So let's just try this. There we go. Make sure you got it in all the way and secured. Okay. I'm going to push all this back up in here some. All we have sticking out now is that guy. And now I'm going to plug it back in to this. All right, got it plugged in. Check my hazard lights. Working. Check those lights. Okay. So now I know that's pre-working. I'm going to bring this around. That's kind of how it went in there. And help push some of these wires, this, back up in there. And get this guy pushed back up in there. There we go. Look at that. All right. Everything seems to be working good. And got it back in there. Now we're going to do the rest. To install this guy, it's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to plug in the cigarette lighter here. I'm going to plug the cigarette lighter in right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Okay, you can see it's lighting up. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it inside these grooves right here. Up in here like this. There we go. Bring it right back into place. Okay, you can see that works. That works right there. Peel off this. And let's take a look at this thing. All right, got it installed. All right, so I got it installed here. And let me see here, I got it in park right there. If I just turn it to the right, I gotta put my foot on the brake. There you go, I got drive. Come over here. The car is now in neutral. And there's reverse. And then if I just hit the button down, go straight to park. I mean, that's pretty simple, but really, that's what I was looking for right there. The reason why I was looking for this is because when I'm pulling into a car wash, I want to go straight to neutral. As soon as I get in there, and all I got to do is turn this thing, you know, one way or the other with my foot on the brake, and then I just go like this, and now it's in neutral, and now I'm in the car wash and I can go right through. Just to show you here how this thing's working, you know, I can put it right here and I can put it in drive. You can see the car went in drive, neutral, and there's reverse. And that's it. I mean, it's working great. Hit that button down once, now I'm in park. I kind of like this better than having to swipe up here. See, look, not even there. Now it's working. To where down here, I just hit it and boom, I'm in reverse. I mean, I think I like this better. This is what I was hoping for right here. While I'm driving, I could just rest my hand right here and be able to do whatever it is that I need to do while I'm, you know, sitting right here instead of having to reach up and swipe and keep missing. And oh, there we go. See, I mean, that's, yeah, I think I like this a whole lot better. And it still gives me those charging ports and everything right there. Well, there you have it. It's pretty easy to install. I mean, actually, 5-minute install, not that long. Hardest thing is just trying to take down that cover off the top up there. Once you get that down, it's pretty simple. But hey, I really like this hand control down here. Once again, this is from TesLaunch. If it's something you're interested in, the link down below will take you straight there. Use my discount code, save some money, and enjoy. All right, guys. So, but no, this thing's going to be really, really handy, especially when I'm going through a car wash and I need to put it in neutral. This is what I've been wanting right here. It's something that I can very easily just rest my hand on, because reaching up here to the top, it's kind of a pain having to do all that. It's because you got to hit it twice. You got to hit it once, and then you hit it again, and then it goes in neutral. So it's almost like you got to hit the thing twice. I really don't like that. At least with this knob down here, I just kind of just rotate it, and it goes whatever I need it to be in. Push it down, and I'm in park. This right here is pretty simple. All right, guys. Appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I got lots of different things out there. I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper Edition. I also got a 23 Tesla Model 3. So there's different versions of different accessories and things out there that I have on this channel. So anyways, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. All right, peace.